Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry, and today is Wednesday, September the 4th. The time is around 3:45 a.m. GMT. So today we're gonna be updating the chart for silver, right? It extends the rally higher in the past few days, and this is the latest 1 hour chart here. We are looking for any kind of pullback, all right, to hold above 18.02 for now. Okay, so any kind of pullback is going to find support in 3711 swing for further upside in silver, right? So if I mean, it's from the 1 hour chart, it's not really obvious what's going on, but this I mean, this one is within an impulse move on the upside. Now if we take a look at the slightly larger degree here, this is the 1 hour, the daily chart. We can see after bottoming on November 2018. All right, the last update that I give you guys, I was saying that the minimum target is $18, which is the 1.618. Now, typically that could indicate the end of wave 3, but in the case of the silver, right, it just blessed through in the 1.618 extension here, very strong. I mean, if you take a look at the daily, it's parabolic, right? It is parabolic, the move higher. And the next target when it blessed through in the 1.618 in the wave 3 is going to be 2.618. So the 2.618 is going to be $20.30 more or less, right? 20.2 to 20.3. That will be sort of the next target for silver, right? Now I can kind of try to look at the target from a different angle, and I also come up with the intermediate target of this level right here. All right, so if you look at okay, so I'm gonna switch to gold right now. Okay, I'm gonna switch to gold on the daily. Now you can see right here, gold on the daily, if you measure from this low right, this extension on the third wave here, now the 1.618 is 1562, right? 1562. So I would say gold potentially can target with 3 can be around 15, let's say 1560 to 1600, right? I mean, that's quite reasonable target for this move higher. All right, 1560 to 1600. Now if we take a look at the gold to silver ratio, this is a weekly chart. As you can see, the ratio has broken down decisively, and as you guys know, this has an inverse correlation with the gold and silver, right? If this ratio broke down, gold and silver will go up, with silver outperforming gold, of course, if the ratio broke down. So you can see right here the ratio starting to break down, and the breakdown definitely looks impulsive here, and that is further confirmation of a bullish market in the precious metals, because I really I'm glad to see that this ratio finally, first of all, broke down of this 2011 trend line. Secondly, the breakdown, the move lower is impulsive. So I'm glad to see that, because that will, not that I need another proof that the precious metal is in a bullish market, but this definitely is another kind of evidence, right? Now you can see right here, the third swing should go lower to 77.6, only to end the third swing or the third wave, right? And that's not the end of the move, it's only the end of the third wave. Now if I'm assuming before gold target is 1560, 1600, okay, let's take the middle number, let's say 1580. Okay, you divide that with this 77.6, which is the gold to silver ratio, right? You come up with the price of silver, right? You come up with the price of silver, which is let me calculate this really quick. So 1580 divided by 77.6, that gives you a $20.35, right? So recall that the 2.618 extension of the move, right? Earlier we talked about the 2.618 extension here is 20.28 or 20 between 20.2 20.3. If we calculate the target using the gold to silver ratio, we got 20.35. So that wave 3 right now likely is gonna hit around 20.2 20.3. Then we will get a wave 4 pullback after that. Now the wave 4 pullback is gonna be around 23.6 to 38.2 approximately. So sometimes when it is so strong, the pullback can be even higher than 23.6, right? It can be just like between 10% to 20% correction, which is possible, right? Which is possible. But for the sake of simplicity, let's stick 23.6 38.2. So then you can expect this wave 4 later on to pull back between $18 and $19, right? So after reaching 20.2 20.3, we got a chance to pull back in the wave 4 to around 18 to 19, and then go higher again, because then you need a wave 5, and the gold to silver ratio also need a wave 5, right? This needs to bounce in the wave 4 and then do another leg lower in the wave 5. So at the end of the day, when we finish this 5 waves down, which potentially can be done within this year, then I think it is very likely this year, this entire 5 waves, right? Because it's very fast. Silver eventually can break above this high in 2016, which is $21, right? Eventually it can break above that, and possibly my guesstimate maybe is around $23 by the end of these 5 waves move to the upside. Then we can get another bigger pullback, maybe going to the previous wave 4. So I mean, from 23 or so, we can go back to like 18 to 19 again, depending on, usually after a 5 waves move, the 3 waves correction can go to the previous wave 4, right? And then rally again after that, right? So definitely it's very encouraging if you are bullish on the precious metals, that the reaction, the move has certainly been kind of impulsive lately. And this is going to continue like for the foreseeable future. All right, and so that's the update for today, guys. But shorter cycle again, unless we hit the 20.2 20.3, I think the right side still remains higher for now, and you should continue to be looking for opportunity to if there is any tips, like basically to buy the tips for the upside. All right, so if you enjoy this video, you can like and subscribe, and also join us. The market is moving very well right now. We have the end of summer promotion. We have 50% off in all of our plans. We also got a 14 days free trial. I'm gonna put the link in the description. You can find the link to this promotion as well as trial in the description of the video. All right, and see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.